Hi guys, been away for a couple of weeks, been off visiting one of my daughters, and I recently also just got in an engine I had pre-ordered several months ago. It's one of the new Bachmann 280s with the, I guess it's got the Econami sound decoder in it, and I just wanted to test it in front of you guys and see what you think. So without further ado, we'll get into the engine and see what it does. And there's the engine just past the tower that seems to be broken by my Stegosaurus. So, but anyway, I'll go ahead and start it up using number 8 or function 8 on my NCE ProCap. Pretty decent bell. That's a long whistle. And then it also has a couple other functions. Here's the short whistle. And then it has the steam release. Got to get rid of that one out of the way first. I guess because it's sitting there. But anyway. All right. Headlight. And we'll start it running and see what it sounds like. At speed step 1. It's got a little bit of I noticed kind of a humming noise to it, you know. It is N scale. I mean, it sounds good for N scale. It's not as good as the ESUs that I have, but the reason I ordered this engine was because it costs the same to put the decoder into one of these, because I have one that's just DC right now, as it is to buy a new one. So I says, well, let me try buying a new one and we'll see how that one is. And that sounds pretty good. I can't complain about it, because I wanted the 280 for local, like a wave freight type engine. There's the hiss. We'll bring it back again. Now I do have another Econami, or however you say it, decoder I got several months ago. And I might attempt to put it in the other steam engine I have, but I might not. I might just sell the engine. I don't mind doing diesels, and I've done hardwire installs in diesel, but I really hate running the wiring up for the headlight in the steam engines. There's just not a lot of room. You got to know what you're doing. And there should be. You can hear that hum again. Pretty decent whistle. Pretty decent bell. And there's the hiss again. And that's how you turn it off with function 8. So all in all, I'm pretty pleased with the purchase, and I'm either going to re-decal this one or take the shells off of the other one I have, which is done for Santa Fe, and just replace them. But sometimes it's just as easy just to redecal the thing. So, but anyway, that's all for this time, and we'll see you again in the future. Bye.